In this video we use a similar technique that we used before. We want to prove that log base a of b and log base b of a are the reciprocal of each other. Hence, the decimal log of e times the natural log of 10 equals 1. Interesting. To prove that these two logarithms are the reciprocal of each other, let's call log base a of b equals m. If we convert this into index form, the base a to the power m equals b. So now I apply log base b to both sides of our index equation. The exponent becomes the coefficient, so m equals 1 over log base b of a. We have proved that log base a of b is the reciprocal of log base b of a. Hence, substituting a equals 10 and b equals e into the formula, we obtain log base 10 of e equals 1 over log base e of 10. Log base 10 is the decimal log of e. Log base e of 10 is the natural log of 10. They are the reciprocal of each other, therefore their product is 1. Logarithms are very important, so I will leave you with this playlist. And until next week, happy learning! If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates.